Hello guys, in this video we are going to install VirtualBox in Windows machine, and we are going to see how to install Linux in virtual machine. Let's get started. Before getting this video, we need to download VirtualBox from this link. I am posting the link in the description. Please do check it out and install the VirtualBox in Windows host. When pressing Windows host, it will pop up some dialog box. Continue and click save file and then save it to your desired location. I have already downloaded and skipped this step. After downloading the VirtualBox, we need to install some Linux distributions to configure Linux in Windows machine. To get the interface of Linux in VirtualBox, you need to install some Linux distributions. There are many distributions. One is Kali Linux, other one familiar one is Ubuntu. I am going for Ubuntu distribution because it's a professional OS for Linux. So go to the link and select download option. Download option listed in the navigation menu. Click download and go to and choose Ubuntu desktop. That's 20.04 LTS. LTS is long-term stable version. So it will show the link like this. It's thank you for downloading Ubuntu desktop. Wait for a few seconds. If download doesn't start automatically, just click install. You need to download VirtualBox and install that. After installing the prerequisites, one is Linux OS and another one is VirtualBox. You need to set up some new installation for new disto Linux distribution. So just click new in the top bar. It will pop up a new menu like this. In the name field, you just type the name as you want. I am typing Linux this. Just a second. I am typing Linux this. It will automatically recognize this OS as Linux distribution, and I need to choose the required necessary version which I have downloaded. I have downloaded Ubuntu 64-bit, so I am choosing Ubuntu 64-bit OS as my version, and then click next. We are just installing all these in recommended settings. If you need advanced mode, just click export mode and continue the remaining installation. I am just clicking next. It's asking for memory size. Recommended size is 1 GB. I am just increasing the size to 2 GB. So because it is based on our working part in Linux in VM. So I am choosing 2 gigabytes as the memory size, and then click next. After clicking next, it's asking for hard disk. I am just clicking on create because we need to create a virtual disk to set up virtual host for Linux. So I am just clicking create. After clicking create, it's asking for hard disk file type. Just leave it as it is. Then click next. It's asking for physical hard disk, just dynamically allocated. In the above paragraph, they have given some definitions. It's asking for file location and asking for file size. It's 10 GB. Its recommended basic size is 10 GB. So I am increasing. Just leave it as this. So it won't occupy that much space in your system. So just click create. Yeah, the creation of Linux distribution is over. We need to set up the location of the OS that we have downloaded using our browser. After Completing those steps, you will be able to install the Linux OS. Just go to settings. No, just go to settings. I have clicked. Go to storage. In storage, they have two options: controller ID and controller SATA. In controller ID, you will be displayed like empty. In the corner, you have some CD disk icon. Click that. Go to the folder. Choose your OS, and then click open. This is the OS. This is my OS stored location is F drive. So I am choosing that. Click open. Then click OK. Our installation of Linux in VM is over. We need to install OS in virtual hard disk. So we will begin that steps. Just give some time of a few minutes. Then begin the installation. Just double click the Linux distribution, Linux disk. That's the name I have created. After clicking normal installation continue part, we need to choose the location. It's loading. It's taking time because it's loading. Just wait for a few seconds. Sorry for delay, guys. I'm just showing the full installation. I am not skipping any part. Yeah, it came. It's asking for installation type. I am erasing Ubuntu. I have already installed this OS, so I am erasing that OS and I am installing reinstalling the same OS. Just go to the installation. Just click continue. I just click erase. Don't click anything. Just wait for a few seconds. It's asking for a permission. I just click location. I am in India, so I am choosing Kolkata as my location. I just give the India as a default location. It's asking for. I just click continue. It's waiting. It's loaded. It's asking for username and your password. You need to pick a strong password. It's asking for login into your I just click Shankar. So there are two options. Choose a password. I am clicking login continue automatically because I don't want to. I click login automatically because I don't need password to login. I just click continue. So the installation begins. It takes time. The installation screen is not visible in that video. So installation is started. I am skipping that. It takes time. So some messages will appear, but I am entering the password. It's just going into this OS, Linux distribution in VM. Yeah, we finally got the screen. That's it. If people just listen. If you have any doubts, do ping me in the comments, or I am just mentioning my email in this description. Do contact me if you have any doubts in installing this Linux distribution in VM. That's all for today, guys. Let's wind up. Bye bye.